front of me is the DOOGEE V20, and today I would like to show you how you can connect this smartphone using Bluetooth. First of all, just go into settings. Now you need to choose Bluetooth over here and tap on this switcher next to Bluetooth feature to activate it. Following that, just wait for available devices to show, and when they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Come on! Now you need to select Pair in this pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected, but you can always disconnect them if you wish to by choosing this gear icon next to the device and tapping on Forget. Lastly, choose Forget Device in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!